Harbor Freight moving equipment. Hand truck dolly, appliance dolly, Harbor Freight tools to put together the 6-foot ramp, aluminum, which was $150. The appliance dolly was $89, and the hand truck was $159. I think it's better than the Costco they sell there too. It looks a lot beefier. Now to put the aluminum ramp together, you're going to need 13mm socket and wrench, and then tighten on the bolts, and then this is the finished product, bolted together. Flexes a little bit. I wouldn't put anything more than 500 pounds on this thing. Comes with 2 chains. They're 3 feet long. All in all, it's a pretty good system for getting in the van.